Making your pharmacy business modern and profitable has now become incredibly easy. With an AI-powered cloud system, you can intelligently manage and optimize all your daily operations. Manual billing, missing stock, and slow reporting often hinder the essential growth of your pharmacy. Failing to follow up with customers promptly also impacts sales. The smart solution for all these problems is an AI-powered, cloud-based pharmacy management system. This system gives you full business control, automation, and real-time access. The real-time dashboard lets you instantly view sales performance and revenue trends. Low stock alerts and smart notifications keep you constantly updated. Our system automatically tracks all stock levels and meticulously monitors expiry dates. This effectively minimizes medicine wastage, leading directly to a significant increase in overall profit. Utilize the sales system to effortlessly scan medicines, apply any necessary discounts, and instantly print customer receipts. Gain comprehensive control over card transactions, diverse payment methods, refunds, and your complete sales history, all within just a few seconds. Every time a sale occurs, the system automatically saves the complete data of all your customers. This feature enables you to directly send them personalized offers, special discounts, festive greetings, and important medicine reminders through WhatsApp. By implementing targeted marketing campaigns, you can effectively increase your repeat buyers and achieve rapid growth in your overall sales. In this manner, you can cultivate robust relationships with your valued customers, thereby elevating your business to an entirely new level of success. Comprehensive daily, monthly, and annual reports provide you with crystal clear business insights. Flexible export options and intelligent summaries simplify the entire decision-making process. The system diligently and automatically tracks all your suppliers and incoming orders. There's no need for you to manually check anything anymore. Inventory planning has become incredibly simple and highly efficient. As the owner, you can flexibly assign your staff specific roles, such as manager, pharmacist, or even cashier. Each and every staff member will only be granted the precise access that you provide them, ensuring your entire business remains completely secure and perfectly organized. Manage your entire pharmacy business from your mobile. Real-time access to your sales, stock levels, and orders is always readily available. Smart notifications will instantly inform you about low stock and upcoming expiry alerts. You have complete business control right in your hands, anywhere, anytime. Our advanced system is currently being used by many leading pharmacies. Every single client's experience consistently proves this. Smoother operations, significant time saved, and ultimately, higher revenue. We don't just provide software, we offer a complete pharmacy solution. Full hands-on training, WhatsApp support, and expert help are always available for you and your staff. Our team will safely migrate data from your existing system, consultancy, or any outdated software. Reach out to us for a complimentary demonstration and observe in real time how Honest Tech services can transform your pharmacy operations into a smooth and profitable system.